In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OneDrive to File Explorer, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll see your OneDrive right inside File Explorer and have your key folders syncing automatically, so your files are always up to date across your devices. Start by opening File Explorer. You can use the Libraries view if you prefer, but File Explorer is perfect. In the left-hand navigation pane, look for OneDrive and click it. This tells Windows you want to work with your OneDrive folder and gets the menu options ready. Now, right-click the OneDrive entry. A context menu will appear. Choose the OneDrive option in that menu, then select Settings. This opens the OneDrive control panel where you manage how your files sync and how OneDrive shows up on your PC. In the Settings window, switch to the Account tab, click Add Account. This connects OneDrive to your Microsoft account on this computer. Follow the prompts that appear on screen. They'll guide you through confirming the account you want to use. Once that's done, OneDrive links this PC to your cloud storage so your files can appear in File Explorer. With your account connected, go to Sync and Backup. This area controls which folders on your computer are protected by OneDrive. Click Manage Backup. You'll see options for common locations like desktop, documents, and pictures. Turn on backup for the folders you want. Enabling backup brings these folders under OneDrive, which means they'll show in File Explorer with the OneDrive cloud icon and stay synced automatically. Give it a moment to initialize. You may notice small status icons next to files, letting you know whether they're online only or available offline. That's normal and helps you see what's synced at a glance. From now on, anything you save in your OneDrive folder or inside the folders you enabled for backup will upload to the cloud and be available on your other devices signed in to the same account. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Keep your computer online for the first sync so files can populate in File Explorer. If you use both personal and work accounts, you can repeat the Add Account step to include both. You'll see separate OneDrive entries in the sidebar. And if OneDrive doesn't appear right away in File Explorer, make sure the OneDrive app is running in the background, then reopen File Explorer. That's all there is to it. Your OneDrive is now integrated with File Explorer and your important folders are backed up and ready to sync.